Oh, amore,
Hmm.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, and then what you want to eat?
Can you cook for me?
Yeah, I cook, but what you want to eat, amore?
Can you cook Nilagang Baka?
So I have here the corn, the potato, the onion, garlic, beef. I make this beef and not the ribs. Rather than I put leaves, I will put this one on top because we don't have the another leaves from exactly from the nilaga. Now I'm put some oil. I'm using olive oil, and I try first with beef. It's better that it should be very fried first. So I will also put some salt and some condiments. Actually, salt and pepper for a while. I will make it in a very high fire and fry very well. Now I put black pepper, this is Brazilian brand, Filipino. And I will throw the onion and the garlic together so we can suck the taste of the onion and the garlic. I know more or less these things because Romarico really teach me how to really cook well. Filipino always know how to cook. And now I use the secret here, that is magic setup. Only like to give some taste to my beef. And I love magic setup. We don't have this here in Brazil. We just brought from Philippines when my husband came, and he brought like 2 packets. This is sazon with the carne beef taste, and we're gonna throw this sazon that is famous in Brazil. And after everything, all the condiments, we're gonna throw water, only a little bit, for it cook together with the corn. This one, it's actually a pressure cook, so it's more easy to cook and faster. I'm gonna close it, leave some minutes, like 25 minutes, and I'm gonna cook the rice on the side. You know, Filipino loves rice, and our rice here in the house, because we don't put garlic as a Brazilian rice and we don't put salt, we just cook it in a microwave. So I put a little bit of the rice and then I wash it. After I wash and I throw the water, I wash again, and I'm gonna put exactly 24 minutes in the microwave. The same quantity of the rice you put the water. And now let's put the potato. I buy the very small one. So let's peel everything and put in the pressure cooker. using the kale. I'm using the cabbage. So we're gonna wash it together with the potato. And we're gonna throw everything before the meat we cook inside of our pressure cook. And it will be our Nilagang Baka. Look, I just put on top so it cook together. Only like steam it. And this is it. Nilagang Baka, it's like a soup, so leave the sauce. Okay, More, now is the truth.
Can I try?
Yes. You like it?
Ito bong.
It's really the taste of the anise, right?
Don't put anis.
Yeah.
You can make how's this? Beef mami with this. It's very good. Para
So
base
it's
sa mare.
approved.
Oh? 3 stars.
Okay,
Thank you, Mary.
Ciao.